Welcome back to the EZducate Tool Guide series. In this video, we'll take a look at the ABA Therapy Wizard for parents. This version of the ABA Therapy Wizard is designed specifically for parents and caregivers. It takes proven ABA teaching concepts and organizes them into simple, practical resources that can be used at home to support skill development and reinforce what your child may already be working on in therapy or at school. Let's get started. From the EZducate dashboard, click on ABA Therapy Wizard. The first step is selecting the child profile you'd like to create a resource for. Next, choose a skill area from the drop-down menu. To make things easier for parents, EZducate organizes ABA-based skills into simple everyday categories such as early language and play skills, daily living and learning readiness, advanced thinking and flexible learning, life skills for independence, and early development. You'll also find a custom request option if you'd like to describe your own situation or specific skill you'd like help with. For this example, we'll choose life skills for independence. After choosing a skill, a second drop-down menu appears called Area to Focus On. This menu contains specific areas related to the skill you've selected. For this example, we'll choose at school, social, and group participation skills. Below the drop-down menus, EZducate provides a brief explanation of the selected skill area and category, helping you better understand what the skill involves. Once you're ready, click Generate ABA Resource. In just a few seconds, EZducate AI creates a personalized resource based on the selections you've made. The generated resource includes step-by-step guidance designed specifically for parents and caregivers. You'll find practical activity ideas, simple implementation instructions, and even suggested scripts you can use when working with your child. The resource also includes guidance on how to recognize progress, what signs to look for that the strategy is working, and troubleshooting suggestions if your child is having difficulty with a particular skill. The goal is to give you clear, actionable support without requiring training. When appropriate, EZducate can also generate custom images directly within your resource. For example, visual supports can help make routines, social situations, and learning activities easier for children to understand and follow. Simply click Generate Image, and EZducate will create visuals that match the activity or learning goal. You can allow EZducate to automatically create the image descriptions, or you can use the built-in image prompt field to provide your own instructions. This gives parents and caregivers the flexibility to personalize resources while still benefiting from AI-powered support. At the top of every generated resource, you'll find several useful tools. You can copy the resource, print it, export it as a PDF, or export it to Word and Excel formats. You'll also find an Edit button. EZducate includes a built-in editor that allows you to make changes directly within the platform, without needing to export the document first. The editor includes familiar formatting tools that make it easy to adjust activities, personalize instructions, or add notes specific to your child. This ensures that every resource can be adapted to fit your family's unique needs. Thank you for watching this EZducate ABA Therapy Wizard for Parents guide. This tool was designed to help parents and caregivers feel more confident supporting their child's development at home by providing practical, easy-to-use activities and guidance based on proven principles. It is designed to complement the work of therapists, educators, and other professionals involved in your child's support team. To explore the ABA Therapy Wizard and discover everything else EZducate has to offer, sign up today at EZducate.ai. We'll see you in the next EZducate Tool Guide.